Hi all. So today I am going to prepare chicken butter makhani, and this is the pieces of chicken that I have just washed, and I need garam masala, jeera powder, then meat masala, ginger garlic paste, onion powder, and I need red chili powder, and I need tomato and onion paste also, and then I need dahi. So now I am going to make tomato and onion paste. Yeah, so I just mixed all the masala and paste also.
Chicken.
Then I will mix dahi, little bit of dahi, milk also, little bit of milk also. I mixed. Now I'll marinate it and I will keep for half an hour. Yeah, so I have marinated chicken properly with the paste, and now I'll keep it for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes marination is done. Now I'm going to roast it using microwave. So just let me put it inside the microwave. I have just set the. So roasting is done. Roasted chicken is ready. So if someone wants to have oil-free chicken, only roasted chicken, oil-free roasted chicken, they can have like this also. But now I am going to enhance this chicken in karai. I'll put olive oil and I'll put cream, butter, and I'll enhance the taste. Amul fresh cream. Now my butter makhani, chicken butter makhani is ready. While cooking, I tasted a bit the gravy. I tasted a bit, and it was really yummy. Let me plate for my family.